looks a little better, don't it? How you like my new digs? I just got to get where the bush hog will mow and get this back down to something manageable. But I think this is just going to have to be a sacrifice spot. Put these old timbers there and these blocks there. That way we have some fortifications, you know, World War III and stuff. Ramifications. Fortifications? I don't know. One day I'll run a new line. I have a ascending line and a return line. That way hydraulics will push it down. Want all your chains hanging down so you don't bust out somebody's glass. These spacers lets us know that we're being consistent. If I have to pick it up, I'll set it back down to the same place. I think we'll pick it up so one more will fit on there. We'll see how it cuts. It might be too low or still too high. This first pass, there ain't no telling what's under this grass, so we'll be careful. All these tools, there ain't none of them gonna work. Guess I got the wrong size. You ain't just buying used equipment, you're buying everybody else's mistakes, long hard days. Bone dry. It's probably just pouring out from underneath. Oh, there it is. See it? Maybe that will allow us to cut for a little while. Yeah, used equipment. You're buying everybody else's broken dreams. Please be something in there. Somebody somewhere sees that, they're gonna think, oh my God, what is he doing? And the answer is the best I can. Oh, I see it down there. Yeah, I see it down there. Come on, baby, big bucks, no whammies. Oh yeah, ooh, that looks kind of milky, but it's old. Rather look like that than look like a bunch of metal shards. Let's make sure it ain't digging in the ground when we pull it, and if it ain't, we'll turn the PTO over and see what goes. I'll put a bet on what happens. We run out fuel, some breaks, and we get stuck in about 20 minutes. Keep eye on that. That might be some eye candy when that axle weld finally breaks, because I ain't a welder, I'm a grinder. She's still holding, boys. The guy at the welding shop said it can't be done. I say my stick welder and about 50 sticks. And of course some old angle iron off the old bed post frame. Yeah, just keep welding, baby. Keep welding.